In this new video, you will discover the variables and data types in Python. So, let's play this video. Are you wondering what data type you should use? Don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with what objects of these types look like and how to represent them. Sets. In Python, set is an unordered collection of data type that is iterable, mutable and has unique elements. The order of elements in a set is undefined, though it may consist of various elements. The advantage of using a set, as opposed to a list, is that it has a highly optimized method for checking whether a specific element is contained in the set. Set is defined by curly braces, with unique values, which are separated by commas. You can perform multiple set operations, like union and intersection on two sets. Since sets are unordered collection, indexing has no meaning. Hence the slicing operator does not work. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.